Ladies, gentlemen, and children, the thing has arrived. My new monitor stand. I am so keen. I've been waiting for this one for a while. You may be asking yourself, why should I get a monitor stand, especially when I'm only using one monitor? Well, after getting this monitor, I'm sure you saw my review. If you haven't, check in the link right in the bottom. One of my expectations was that I'll be able to bring it up and down, which I can't do. It only has a tilt up and down, but you can't adjust it down. So, decided to get myself a monitor stand. Actually, this is a South African brand called Bratek, hey? That sounds like the most South African brand you can ever get. Bratek. You, my bro. You want the Bratek. Anyways, I'm gonna actually see if I can quickly unbox it and mount it right here and right now. Okay, I don't have a knife. Where is my unboxing knife? I cannot find my knife. Well, you know what works just as good as an unboxing knife? A Telkom SIM card. There we go. Who in the history of YouTube has unboxed something with a SIM card? You link me in the description if you can find one single video where someone uses specially a Telkom SIM card. Telkom SIM card for the win. You know, you gotta go full South African if you're unboxing South African stuff. You cannot use a knife from England. But yeah, I think we've got the tape. Ooh, there we go. So Bratek, I got this locally from a supplier called, what are they called again? My goodness, I'm bad with my memory. Linkage, right there, look right there, it says linkage. Ooh, my goodness. So this thing is supposed to have USB ports apparently. I would be glad if it has some sort of weight adjustment. I don't know how it works exactly, but from looks of things it's pretty simple. This is metal, my dudes. This is real metal. Real metal. I don't even know. This is thick AF. I thought it would be like cheap components, but this looks strong, my dude. Strong AF. We got the USB cable. Ooh. So what I'm pretty excited with as well is the aux ports. Apparently there's aux ports, so I can plug in my headphones potentially into this thing. That would be nice, because I usually plug into a whole different system here. There is a set of Allen keys, my dudes. Free Allen keys, who can say no? And some sort of, wow, this actually looks a little bit complicated now. Oh, shits, my dude, shits. This is boss. It looks so strong. Jeez, I've never seen something that looks so quality. The Visa mount, Levisher mount. What do we have here? Some sort of cable thing to attach your cables, I think. Throw that right there. But I think I have everything I need. The box can go aside. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this now. This looks very simple though. Let's look at the instructions, because I've never mounted one of these before. So, 1A-1, 1A-2, 1A-3, A, 1A-3B, 1A-4, 1A-5, 1A, 1B-1-1B. My goodness, why is this slightly complicated? Just ever so slightly. Okay, looks like I'm going to be buying a MIDI keyboard. This guy's like, hey, are you in Are you in? Okay, I should have not. I should have not said that, but yeah, this guy has a MIDI keyboard which I'm gonna potentially buy. Feels like exams, my dude, exams. B. We got the B. Where's the B? The B is the VESA mount, which I have lost now. Ah, right here. VESA mount, that's B. Okay, we got the D, we got the E, we got the F, we got the G, we got the H, we got the I, we got a G, we got a K, we got a L. Okay, these are labeled pretty well. So, our first thing that we're taking here is, what the heck, why? Alright, so we are mounting this thing first. I'm not sure if I should. See, now I don't even have a knife. How am I gonna get? I can't cut this with a SIM card. Dude, how am I gonna get rid of this? Can't cut it with this. Oh, it's got a little nose. Now, this is nice. You don't need. Who needs a knife? I'm a little bit worried that this might. Nice. Nice, my dude. Nice. This is real metal, my guy. Real metal. Let's open this. See what we have. Oh my god. Okay. We got a good amount of screws in here. Alright. Cool. We're getting somewhere here. This is actually quite simple. It looked a bit intimidating the first, obviously, glance. There's another instruction for if you're gonna mount it directly onto your desk. My desk is quite dusty, damn. But let's put this aside for now and try. What are we doing? I guess we're unplugging the monitor. It's like so. That doesn't feel right at all. But it is correct. Damn, I'm gonna have to do some weird shit that I don't want to do here. My god, if this table breaks, I will cry. I will cry so hard. Don't look at my butt. Alright. Alright, my guy. Is this enough? Do you like that? I think that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I don't know what this is adjusting, but you know what? Sometimes you just gotta adjust things. Oh, I think it is. It is like a sweet spot of adjusting how much you want it to spring back up. Like now, it's becoming more loose up, which is, I think, what I'm looking for. This should come off as well. Wow, that does not feel right. Okay, I didn't do it. Okay. Right. It's gonna be tricky. Okay. Top. Okay. Jesus. I was really worried at a point that it's not going to be able to handle the monitor's weight. But you just keep adjusting the screw until it eventually holds. Whew, that was super worrying. That was super worrying. Okay. Well, I don't know about you, but I would say this looks slick AF. Goodness me, dude, if you're gonna spend so much on a monitor stand, it makes sense once everything is together. Dude, look at that, lowrider vibes. But I must say, this is worthwhile. If you don't have a lot of space and you need space, this is a good way to start. This is definitely a good way to start. Oh, what's that? Oh, would you look at that? This has arrived, and it's such perfect timing because now I can actually see what I was talking about. And you guys can also see what I was talking about, but basically with the amount of space that I have now, I can literally have this underneath my monitor, or not even underneath my monitor, but my monitor can be somewhere else while I jam on this little MIDI keyboard, and that is all perfect. I have my actual keyboard is actually underneath. I'm sure you've seen here. I have my keyboard underneath, so that's nice and tucked away. But yeah, now I have a MIDI keyboard and it's all complete setup now. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to leave a like if you liked. Maybe subscribe. Maybe.